In this video, you will find out how to manually clean the bean hopper of your WMF 950S. To do this, switch off the coffee machine and then disconnect the mains plug. Now remove the bean hopper lid. If it is closed, open it with the provided key. Turn the lever in the bean hopper to disconnect it and close the outlet at the same time. This way, any beans still in the hopper will not spill when you remove it. Make sure that the hopper is completely unlocked and remove the bean hopper. Remove the remaining beans. Now the hopper can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Then allow the hopper to dry completely. Now the bean hopper can be reinserted and locked by turning the lever. You can then fill the bean hopper with beans. Finally, put the lid back on and lock it. Now plug the mains cable back into the socket and switch the machine on again as required.